guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that all bell notification. In that way you won't miss any time I publish a new video. Also, feel free to check out my other YouTube channels in the description below. Alright, so what am I going to show you today? Today I'm going to show you how you can put your hair up in a hair stick, just like what you see on top of my head. So you can either use, well, you can call it a chopstick or a hair stick in order to do this style. So let's get into it. Okay, so you'll want to brush your hair all back as if you're putting it into a ponytail, and then you will take your stick from the bottom and you will start to turn in a circular motion. You go all the way around until you reach to almost the end of your hair, and then you will come up and stick it into the hair itself. Now when you're holding it there on the left side, don't hold your hair too tight because otherwise it will pull on the strands and your updo will be too tight, it will give you a headache. So just nice and loosely you just hold it, and as you can see, it's as simple as that. Okay, so let's just look at this again. So observe how it's done. You turn it around, you keep on going, then you come up and stick down, and that's it.